What's up, everybody? Another video here. This is burping the alphabet. This is my first time attempting to burp the alphabet. Burp, not birth. Oh God, no, I don't want to burp the alphabet. I'm gonna burp the alphabet. Afterwards, I want y'all to give me a grade below. See how I did. You know what I'm saying? First time burping the alphabet. All right, let's go. You know, you got to get, this is like pre-game stretching for your burps. Okay, here we go. What comes after F? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, G. Hold on. I think we stuck at M. Hold on. Hold on. Let me get some water. Quality H2O. Where was we at? I think I was at P. Now I'm at Q. Okay. God bless. I think I was at T. I'm at U. I am flunking this test right now. I think I was at W. What? All right, there we go. Dang, that was harder than I thought it was gonna be, man. A little bit. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button if y'all want to see more. Definitely hit the comments and tell me what type of challenges I should do, type of videos I should react to. If you want me to hoop against any of these YouTubers, but they troopers, so we're not trying to really hoop against them. But yeah, appreciate y'all coming through. That was a lot of burps. Give me a grade. A, B, C, D, F. You know what I'm saying? 5 stars, 3 stars, 1 star. I don't know how you're going to do your grading system. It doesn't matter. You know what I'm saying? Just let me know. You know what I'm saying? All right, peace.